So my name is Anastasios Sextos. I'm a professor of earthquake engineering at the University of Bristol in the UK, through which we participate in ERIES, and I also hold a dual appointment at NTUA Greece. So in Bristol we have offered transnational access to 4 major projects dealing with all sorts of structural infrastructure. However, the most probably spectacular and complex has been that of a joint effort on hybrid simulation along with the University of Patras and Hanze University in the Netherlands. Out of substructuring a complex timber structure into different numerical and experimental modules, in Bristol we undertook the responsibility to test physically let's say the foundation part of the building, which was involving a rocking CLT wall resting on actual natural soil, allowing it to perform damp energy through various mechanisms. So through this slow pseudodynamic test, we were able to exchange information in every cycle of the earthquake with the University of Patras, and this is probably the first test ever conducted on using hybrid simulation for earthquake purposes and involving soil structure interaction as well. An additional advantage of this test is that it involves a sustainable version of construction, because it deals with a timber structure which is not that much used in earthquake regions, introducing other novelties as well, such as the sand damper that has been developed and tested at the University of Patras. We are hoping that we are paving the way for larger collaboration in similar projects by splitting substructuring structures among geographically distributed laboratory sites, because this is adding value by integrating the capabilities, complementary capabilities actually, of different laboratories. Through ERIES we were able to open up a new avenue for conducting this testing, and we are very thankful for having this set up. We're hoping that this novelty will be very useful for the wider good.